aggressive. Yes!
Let's go! Oh, that's not good.
Way to be aggressive. Nice. Yeah!
God dang it.
What? Okay.
Nice shot, baby. You should have shot the last one. Got a cut, let's go, D. Let's go. They need to get more aggressive. Stay with the fear.
Okay. Yeah!
Let's go, D. Let's go.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Good job. Good rebounding.
Nice job, Grant. Yeah. Yeah!
Yeah, baby.
Woo!
Yeah, baby. Good strong move, Grant.
Oh.
Go, go, go. Good job, baby. Good job, baby.
Association.
These are just extra sides up. But when you do the tournament thing, you get paid every 2 weeks.
Oh, yeah.
Q. Good job, Q.
Oh, he waited too long. Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Mo. Good shot, Alex. There you go, Elijah. Give it to Q. Good job, Mo. Let's go, D.
Yeah.
Find your man. Who's that?
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Good shot, baby. Let's go. Let's go, D. Good shot,
Nice, Q. There you go. Yeah.
Good shot, Alan. Stay there, boy. No dribble. No dribble.
No.
Way to follow it. Beautiful. Go, Abby.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Get it, got it.
Good